Okay, folks, we're on our way to the Dorset Caves. So far, so good. Got up past the spot we couldn't make it last time. Looks like a lot of the snow melted, which is a pretty good thing. Well, plenty of rocks to climb up, so it looks like we'll be okay. Got quite a crew back there now. A lot of people joined us this time. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trucks today. And we have Sarah over here. Hi, Sarah. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna go start to finish, so stay with us, folks. Take you right up to the caves. You can enjoy the scenery. We're over in East Dorset. We're climbing up the mountain to get to the caves. This is where they got a lot of the marble out for the Manchester, Vermont, and a lot of the areas here. And then now they're using the Danby marble mines now. Yeah. We have a ice storm going right now, so we didn't think we were going to get through here, but it seems to be not as bad, so we seem to be doing okay. Get a look back. Yep, everybody's doing good. Sarah's doing good. Out of your face there. Hi. Bumpy ride, huh? Yep, we're climbing up the ice. Yep, it's like when I have to give it to it up here. I got 40 pounds of air pressure in the tire, so I didn't let any air out, so hopefully we keep on going now. We got all these natural springs coming down the trail here, so but everything's pretty frozen now. It's 20 degrees out when we had 60 degrees the other day, so we're still moving along. Chilled off. Yep, went over a lot of the water coming down here. Natural springs running down the trails, and then the snow melting, so looks like everybody's back there still taking a look. So we climb up the mountain higher till we get to the caves. So stay with me, folks. We're going to enjoy it when we get there. See, there's all the rocks they pushed out down the hill. Roll the window down so you can see better. Yeah. It's doing pretty good. We're actually almost there. Just up a little bit higher. I'm almost to the first entrance. The snow's getting deeper. We're on top of ice, so we're doing good. Yeah, this is only about a mile to get there, so shouldn't take too long. And what's up around the corner here? Back there, so we got lovely Sarah here. Hi, Sarah, enjoying the ride, huh? Yeah. Yep, Sarah's birthday next week, next Saturday. So next Sunday wheeling will be Sarah's birthday, snow wheeling next week. We always seem to still have snow in the mountains here in Vermont. See everybody back there coming. Back in the mirror. Stay out of that trail there. Yeah, it's not much of a hill, so I didn't have to let the air pressure out, and I have the studs too, so that pretty much helps. Yeah, starting to get all that rain coming down now. It's supposed to be a washout soon, so. All right, we're up to 5 minutes, folks. If you ever want to come and join us, you're more than welcome. Southern Vermont Off-Road Association. Look us up on Facebook if you want to join. If you're in the Vermont, Southern Vermont area, you want to come out and do this anytime, summer, winter, fall, we do it year-round. Come join us. I'll take you everywhere you want to go. Look at, now we're up to real at the top, and it's really deep now. Look at that. Yep, up to the deep stuff now. Up higher in the mountain. Okay, caves are coming up. Now that we're up the top. Okay, here's the other part here where we come out. When we're rock crawling, we come in this other way, which we're going right now. Yep, Sarah's favorite spot, huh? Sarah loves the caves. Likes to rock crawl through the caves, but there's always ice in there, so. And here it is right here, so. Check that out, folks. There's the caves. This is where we go. Right through the marble mines. I better stop right here because I'm going to have to bag up. There. Let's get out, check it out. Look at that, I'm on sheer ice. I don't think you want to come any further. I might not be able to get back out. Oh, yeah. Yep. Hey, Sarah. Yeah, look at the ice comes off the ceiling up there. It's down. Look at that, I'm on glare ice. Yep, this is the caves, folks. Yep. Everybody arrives. Look at the massive stuff they have here. Alright, all made it to the caves. Nice. Alright, we're gonna next video go around and check out the caves. Thanks for watching, everyone.
Anybody have dogs? No.